Hi everyone, today I'm excited to show you a beautiful rental opportunity right here in sunny Naples, Florida. If you've been searching for a fully furnished condo that's stylish, convenient, and close to everything Naples has to offer, you're going to love this one. This condo is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, fully furnished home in the desirable Treetops community. Located on the first floor, it offers easy access and a layout that feels both open and inviting. The living space flows seamlessly with plenty of natural light, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. One of my favorite features is the private screened lanai, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee, unwinding with a book, or entertaining friends in the Florida breeze. Since the property is furnished, all you need to do is bring your suitcase and settle in. Everything is ready for you. Living here means enjoying more than just the condo itself. Treetops offers a community pool for those warm Florida afternoons, and shuffleboard courts for some fun and relaxation with neighbors. The community has a tranquil, laid-back feel, perfect if you're looking to enjoy the best of Florida living without the hustle and bustle. And whether you're looking for a short-term rental or long-term home, this condo is flexible to meet your needs. Now, let's talk about what makes the location so special. This condo is in Naples, Florida, one of the most sought-after destinations in Southwest Florida. You're just 10 minutes from downtown Naples, with its famous Fifth Avenue South shopping, dining, and vibrant nightlife. In about 15 minutes, you can be on Marco Island enjoying some of the most stunning white sand beaches in the state. Love the outdoors? You're close to Eagle Lakes Community Park, which has walking trails, sports fields, fitness areas, and even a great playground. Golf enthusiasts will appreciate being near several championship courses. And for everyday convenience, you'll find grocery stores, restaurants, and shopping centers all just minutes away. It's the perfect blend of peace and convenience, tucked away in a serene community, yet close to all the action Naples and Marco Island have to offer. What really sets this property apart is how turnkey it is. Fully furnished, thoughtfully designed, and ready to move in. No need to worry about setting up furniture or decor. The condo offers comfort, style, and a prime location that's hard to beat. Whether you're relocating, looking for a seasonal getaway, or wanting a longer-term rental in Naples, this property is a fantastic choice. If you'd like more information about this rental, or if you'd like to schedule a private showing, feel free to reach out to me directly. Again, this is 5339 Treetops Drive, Unit 105T, Naples, Florida, a furnished 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo in a great location. Don't miss your chance to enjoy the very best of Naples living, stylish, convenient, and ready for you to move in. I look forward to helping you make this your new home. Thanks for watching.